In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in Coda Tables. Sorting is one of those simple actions that can instantly make your information clearer and easier to scan. Whether you're working with tasks, budgets, or a content calendar, organizing rows by a specific column helps you spot priorities, trends, and outliers fast. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact sequence to sort a table in Coda, and along the way, I'll explain what each choice does so you can pick the right option for your data. First, open your web browser and go to Coda. Any modern browser will work well here. If you already have Coda open in another tab, you can use that too. The goal is just to get into the Coda environment where your documents live. Next, sign into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your workspace right away. If not, enter your usual login details and complete any prompts to access your docs. Once you're in, you're ready to work with your tables. Open the Coda doc that contains the table you want to sort. Navigate to the page or section where the table appears. If your document has multiple tables or views, make sure you click into the one you intend to organize so the sort applies to the right place. Now, locate the column header you want to sort by. Think about what should determine the order. For example, a date column to see the newest or oldest first, a priority column to bring critical items to the top, or a name column to scan alphabetically. Choosing the right column is key to getting the view you need. Hover over that column header and click the drop-down arrow that appears. This arrow opens the column menu, which gives you several options related to formatting and organization. We're going to focus on the sorting controls. From the menu, click Sort. This tells Coda you want to order the rows based on the values in this specific column. Then, select Ascending or Descending. Ascending typically means A to Z for text, smallest to largest for numbers, and earliest to latest for dates. Descending flips that. Z to A, largest to smallest, or latest to earliest. If you're not sure which you prefer, try one. Glance at the layout and switch if needed. The change is instant. Once you make your choice, the table will sort the rows based on the selected column. You'll see the new order immediately, and the table will keep using that sort until you change it again. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.